Yeah. Fuck remote controller, man. What the fuck, nigga? It's PlayStation music. That's the mixtape PlayStation music. 1110 music. Yeah. Well, yeah. Look. You rap niggas is orphans. That's about an abortion. My all-time greatest like Serena and Jordan.
Hey guys, so I hate to start this vlog off like a sourpuss, but it's my brand. Let me tell you what happened, okay? All right, so we're gonna get to like all the happy, fun stuff later. Right now, I just kind of feel like screaming. Actually, that's not true. I feel like crying, but like, what am I gonna do? Cry? All right, so boom, we get here and it takes like, oh, I can't, this is you. So we get here, it's supposed to take us like 8.5 hours to get here. We drove for what, like 10 hours? Yeah, we drove for about 10 hours because traffic. So, and we still don't even know why. They're like, just stupid traffic, random traffic in the middle of nowhere. You're on the New Jersey Turnpike and then all of a sudden 150 cars just don't want to drive. Then we get into New York and the guy at the Airbnb said that the parking garage was a 8-minute walk from the Airbnb. The parking garage was a 18-minute walk. Then we get here and he doesn't tell us what apartment. He leaves us a little lockbox with the key in it. Rocket science to open. Thank God I'm not alone and Brandon was able to open it. Then we get into the building and he didn't tell us which apartment it is. So we kind of like figure it out, but we don't know if we turn in the key into somebody's like apartment or not. Like, anywho.
Walking on the clouds, walking on the moon.
So I know, right? Like, anywho, so we're at the restaurant. If you're from New York or if you're from up north, like New York or Jersey, you know we're at BBQ's because I'm obsessed and I want their shrimp. Okay, so I'm not driving nobody around in my car. I don't think I can drive in this car. So do you have a key? Yeah. You do? Yeah. Okay, me too. Yes. Don't lose it. So we just got finished arguing. And and now we're leaving our Airbnb. What'd you say?
We had to get it out of the way. You need one good argument a week.
You know what's funny? I always argue when I travel with people, like no matter who it is. Did I tell you how when my last family vacation on that cruise, I got into a big fight with my parents at dinner and I stormed out of the restaurant?
Dramatic ass.
But yeah, we're waiting for our Lyft to get here and then we're gonna go get my car and then we're going to Central Park. You know the vibes. So we just came to check on my car because like nobody works here. We just don't know how to park and leave the car here, but like it's fine. And it's really cheap for parking here actually. So we're gonna leave the car here. We're gonna Uber up to Times Square because nobody wants to drive in this. It's raining, so like the traffic's not too bad because nobody wants to drive in New York when it's raining, but no, because no. Brandon is like a true tourist. So he wants pizza for lunch. I want a hot dog or Puerto Rican food or both because I'm an adult and I can get whatever I want. So we're corny, so we're getting I Love New York t-shirts, but they're 2 for $15. Like that feels like a deal. My mama would probably tell me I'm getting scammed, but it feels like a deal in the moment. So we're gonna roll with it. A cup or something? Get a Donald Trump cup.
I'm gonna get my mama.
He just gave me the dirtiest look. Also, it's raining. It's raining, and we're just pretending it isn't. We've barely addressed the rain. We're just not talking about it. We're just living with it. Because what are we gonna do? Make it stop raining? Excuse me. So we're at the M&M store, the Hershey M&M store, and my parents used to bring us here, so this is like so nostalgic for me. Okay, now I'm a food review channel. So now we're in Forever 21 at Times Square, and there's a Riley Rose in here, so I'm ready to spend too much money.
Please don't think, girl,
So the last time I talked to you guys, I was still in Times Square, because I'm not a professional YouTuber. We came back. I went shopping in Times Square. I'll show you guys what I got later because I want to do a haul. So now we came back to the Airbnb. We're leaving the Airbnb because Brandon he just had to take a nap. So Brandon took a nap, and now we're going to walk to Central Park because I'm right on 116th Street, so like it's like a 15-minute walk. So yeah, we're getting pretty lucky because it's not raining anymore. It's not that cold. It's so not that cold that I forgot to bring my scarf. So lucky us. But we're walking to Central Park. If there's not a lot of people, we have some time, we might ice skate just because it's so cheap. It's $9 a person. But I wanted to go to Central Park at least once here just because it's so nostalgic for me. Because I used to go to one of the elementary schools owned by Central Park. So a good 40%. Hey, a good 40% of my childhood was there. So we're at Central Park, which is crazy, surreal to me. We walk past like both my maternal and paternal grandparents' apartment buildings and my godfather's mom's apartment building, and it's just so nostalgic. I know I've said that word 17 times in this vlog, but it's my channel, so deal with it. There are 2 ice skating rinks here. I'm not even sure if we're gonna ice skate, but there are 2 ice skating rinks here. I mean, if we're going to, we should do it now, but one of them is vastly more expensive, and I don't think it's this one. Imagine how cold this water is. I'll give you $1 to get in. So today's Thursday of the following week. I never filmed a proper outro for this vlog because I'm unprofessional. Last thing you saw was like the lounge area and like the gift shop area at Museum of Sex. I couldn't film in Museum of Sex because this video will get demonetized quicker than I can render and upload it. For obvious reasons, it was explicit. But if you're in New York or you're visiting New York or whatever, if you ever find yourself in New York, even if you're not staying like near Broadway or Times Square, like, and that's kind of where it is, go to the Museum of Sex. I cannot recommend it enough. It was the most interesting, the most fun, the most immersive experience I've had in a long time. However, that is the end of this video. So, bye.
Fucking check me up. I hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey, ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from me. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your neck.